In this video, we're going to look at some of the things we've already learned and some new things to have an effect of animation. So we're going to work with the sprites and the costumes. So I've selected one of the default sprites from the Load New Sprites category, which we've used before. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Costumes panel, which is up here next to next to Scripts and Sounds. So in the Costumes panel, we can see my original sprite. What I want to do is I'm going to import a few more sprites that I'm going to have play one after the other in sequence to create animation. So I'm going to click Import, and I've gone to People, and I'm going to select the Dan sprites. So I've got Dan 1, I'm going to select Dan 2, and I'm going to import Dan 3, and Dan 4. 4 will do for now. So you could keep going to 6 if you wanted. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 costumes. The reason I've put the costumes in is because there is actually a script for us to change the costumes. So I'm going to go down to Looks, and I'm going to drag in Next Costume. When I click on that, you'll see the sprite changes across to each costume. I could switch to a specific costume when I clicked, so Dan 1, 2, 3, 4. I could set that up. So the easiest way to think of using this is if we think back to our very first video. So we had move 10 steps, move minus 10 steps, we had our sound, and I'm going to put all that together. So you notice when I play it, it's almost like he's dancing to the music. Now obviously I haven't set this up very well. Stop that. I might change that. I'm just playing around, and we get the effect of dancing. So that's a good way to use sounds, costumes, and the original sprites. If you want to be the one dancing, all you would have to do is take 5 photos of yourself and import those photos, and you would be able to do the same setup. So that's how we create a simple animation, and in this case make it look like we have a character dancing on the screen to the music.